What's up, guys? Let's talk about the cable pull-through today. So first, I want to show you some common mistakes, and I'll show you kind of from the front angle so you can see. Common mistake number one is going to be that you start with your stance too narrow. So since the cable and the rope are going to be going between your thighs, you need to have about a shoulder width, maybe a little bit wider than shoulder width stance. That way you're able to dip under and come through without rubbing your legs too much or not being able to get the perfect range of motion. Okay, also, another thing is, a lot of people don't come all the way to the top. So they stop just a little bit short, so there's still a little bit of flexion in the hips. You want to lock all the way out, squeeze the glutes up top. That way you get the glute involvement and the hamstring involvement that you're looking for out of this exercise. Also, last thing we want to look for, you want to get the perfect distance away from the machine. You want to step out maybe 2 feet or so, maybe a little further, because what you don't want to do is pick up the weight and then as you're coming back, it slam into the stack or get too far and your balance is kind of off, all right? So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to pick up the rope and we're going to step it out, get our stance, get the weight distributed, maybe mid-foot, ball of the foot. And what we want to do is hinge at the hips, back stays nice and flat. Notice the cable and the rope go between my legs. My hamstrings are loaded up here. Come up, lock all the way out, squeeze the glutes, and then go back into your next rep. So as you get a feel for this, you can speed it up, explode up top, but I always like to keep the eccentric portion, the lowering portion pretty slow. So 2 to 4 sets, 8 to 15 reps are awesome. Like I say in the article, you can also do this before your main moves to kind of warm up your hamstrings, get ready to go, or this could be a great accessory move. This is not a movement that you want to put the entire stack on and try to replace a deadlift or a squat. That's not what this is for, all right? So accessory or a warm-up type move, use it. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or comment on the article. All right, guys, have a good one.